Do you know what this wholesome, nutritious cereal is called? Hello and welcome to Miana Street. On today's video, we are making Tom Brown. This cereal is good for kids and adults as well. It tastes nice, and in this video I'll be showing you how to the different ingredients, the sourcing for it, the selecting process, the roasting, and as well making it as well. So these are my ingredients. You can reduce the ingredients, or you can still use this, or even add more. So here I'm using my millet, yellow corn, tiger nut, dates, oats, rice. You can use brown rice, you can use normal rice as well. So here I am selecting it. You have to really select it, because sometimes some of them used to have stones or unwanted particles inside of them. So after selecting them, you wash them thoroughly, like you wash them thoroughly. I think this is my second rinsing for it to be this particular way. Funny enough, this particular cereals is good for kids. You can make it for your babies from 6 months and above, and even you as a mother or father, anyone, as far as you're an adult, you can still take this cereals, and it is delicious. It is just a so whole food that you can try. So after selecting them, all the grains, you have to, call it grains or seeds. After selecting the seeds, you have to spread them. If you have the hydrator machine, you can try them, but I don't have, so I had to use my sunlight, natural sunlight, to do the needful. So I'm done washing and selecting them. So this is it. By the way, I don't know what happened to the video, so I didn't get the part where I washed my soya beans. So after drying them for like a whole day, yeah, it depends on when you started. So after drying them for like a whole day, I started frying them. You have to dry them this way. That's why I said, if you have dehydrator machine, it will be very easy. But if you don't have, don't worry, you can still make it at the comfort of your home. So this is how you're going to fry all the ingredients that you're going to use to make this Tom Brown, from your rice to your dates to your tiger nut to your groundnut. I didn't use groundnut for this. I'm not a fan of groundnut like that, so I only used almond nuts here. So you can use any nut of your choice. You can add cashew nut, any. That's why I said the ingredients can go as far as 12, 10. You can still reduce it, 8, 5, 4. It depends on your taste preference. So I'm here frying the wheat. Yes, the essence of adding wheat and rice, it tends to make it not to have lumps when you are making it. It has this thick texture that it gives it. So this is my washed soya beans. You can do the washing part, or you can just fry, toast it a little, then remove the chaff, whichever one you want to do. Yeah, so after frying all of them, you have to assemble it out. Yes, you have to toast. Is it frying? Is it toasting? The frying method, no oil. And then look at them. Look at the beauties. Camera is not doing justice. the sawmill to be blended, like grounded to powder, and our Tom Brown cereal is ready. Our wholesome cereal is ready. Like, it is ready. Can we say drum roll? So this is how you're gonna mix it, then blend. If you have a very good blender, you can blend, but if you don't have, please take it to the sawmill for grinding. And then you have to package it, or pack it in a very airtight container. Yes, it has to be airtight container, in a very tight container, so that air won't incorporate inside of it and it will start having a different taste from what you have done. And look at this after packaging. After packaging, look at it. And then let's move on to making it. Yes, let's move on to making it. Add some few powders, dilute it with water, mix it. It must be very runny. It must be very, very runny, because we still put it on fire to cook it for some minutes before putting it down. So you have to mix thoroughly so that it will have lumps when you're done making it. And you have to put it on fire. Then you stir, continue stirring, because when you leave it, it will burn a little, even if it burns but not that burnt. Then if you like this thickness, you can just as well put it down. Your Tom Brown is ready to eat. You can add sugar, or you add your date syrup, or honey, then milk. So add your it depends on your preference. You can add anything, but here I'm adding sugar, then milk, and our Tom Brown. Can you see how it is? And the taste is awesome. It is awesome. Look at this beauty. So just add your milk and Tom Brown is ready. Tom Brown is ready. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, can you do that? And don't forget to like this video and drop your comment where you are watching from. Please kindly drop it in the comments. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.